Current Affairs March month of 2020. First category is awards. Telangana's Agriculture University Vice Chancellor V. Praveen Rao has won the M.S. Swaminathan Award. M.S. Swaminathan is known as the father of Green Revolution in India, and in case of world, the father of Green Revolution in world is known as Annie Barlog. WEF's Young Global Leaders list is Baiju Ravindran of Baiju and Gaurav Gupta, the Zomato owner. Okay, these are the two awarded the Global Leaders list. Okay, Oyo Ritesh Agarwal, second self-made billionaires. Maharaja Ranjit Singh chosen as the BBC Greatest Leader. Global Animal Protection Index 2020, India ranked at second number. Assam CM Sarbananda Sonowal was presented the Dr. Shama Prasad Mukherjee Award for Politics at 6th India Ideas Conclave, Gujarat. Rohini Mohan and Arfa Khanum Sherwani of The Wire conferred the Chameli Devi Jain Journalist Award. Okay, this is the trick that is written in Punjabi. Okay, so that I can retain it for a longer time. Odisha writer Manoj Das received the Mystic Kalinga Literary Award. Norwegian Abel Prize 2020 Mathematics winner are Hillel Furstenberg and Gregory Margulis. Okay, they are awarded for their contribution to probability and dynamics in number theory. Okay, Abel Prize is known as the Nobel Prize in Mathematics. Okay. Novelist Ruchika Tomar won the PEN Hemingway Award for her debut novel A Prayer for Travelers. Okay, now the next category is personalities. Javed Ashraf is appointed as the next ambassador to France, and Vinay Mohan Kawatra is the next ambassador to Nepal. Abhishek Singh is appointed as ambassador to Venezuela. Okay, capital of Venezuela is Caracas. Sanjay Kumar Panda is the next ambassador to Turkey. Okay, Ajay Bhushan Pandey is the new finance secretary. IPS officer C.N. Shrivastava appointed as Delhi Police Commissioner. A. Ajay Kumar is the India's next High Commissioner to Republic of Uganda. The capital of Uganda is Kampala. Karan Bajwa is the new MD of Google Cloud India. Ravinder Singh Dhillo is the new CMD of Power Finance Corporation. Hidesh Kumar is the new Chief Electoral Officer of J&K. Devashish Panda is the new Director of RBI Central Board. Bimal Julka is the Chief Information Commissioner. Sanjay Kothari is the new CVC Chief Vigilance Commissioner. UP Praveen Rao is the new Chairman of NASCOM. Okay, and Ajay Mahajan is the new MD and CEO of Care Ratings. Now the next category is Bollywood and celebrities. Kareena Kapoor is appointed as the brand ambassador of Puma. IDFC First Bank has signed Amitabh Bachchan as its brand ambassador. Golapuddi Srinivas National Award 2019 has gone to Madhu C. Narayan for Malayalam outing Kuba Langi and Aditya Dhar for Uri movie. Mountaineer Satyarup Siddhanta entered Limca Book of Records for climbing 7 highest volcanoes of 7 continents. Satyarup Siddhanta. Shilpa Shetty partnered with Fit India Movement 21-day weight loss program. The actress Shilpa Shetty. Okay. Top 10 billionaires, the richest list in 2020. Jeff Bezos of Amazon is the top most billionaires with worth of $113 billion is from USA, Amazon owner, and second is Microsoft owner Bill Gates, $98 billion from US, and Bernard Arnault, $76 billion worth from finance and owner of LVMH. Okay, Dr. Madhuri Kanetkar, first woman pediatrician elevated to highest rank of Lieutenant General for Indian Army Doctors. MPL Mobile Premier League robed in Tamanna Bhatia and Virat Kohli as its brand ambassador. The actress Tamanna Bhatia of South Indian movies, and Virat Kohli is the captain of Indian cricket team. Now the sports category. FC Goa becomes first club from India to qualify for Asian Football Confederation League. Russia will host AIBA Boxing World Cup 2020. India's Grandmaster D. Kukesh won the 34th Cannes Open in France. D. Kukesh is a boy from India. Okay. ICC banned Omani cricketer Yusuf Abdul Rahim Al Barushi from cricket for 7 years. 11-year-old Jia Rai created world record in open water swimming 14 km for 3 hours and 27 minutes. India will host the Commonwealth Shooting and Archery Championship 2022. 5-time Grand Slam Russian champion Maria Sharapova retired from tennis. Rafael Nadal won Mexican Open title. Okay, he is from Spain, and Heather Watson won the Mexican woman title. She is from British. First Khelo India University Games held in Bhubaneswar, Odisha, and the top performer in these games is Punjab University, Chandigarh. They won 46 medals, and the second is Savitri Bai Phule, Pune University. Sunil Joshi is the new chairman of BCCI Selection Committee. Duti Chand Business Line Changemaker Award. She is the athlete from India and got Business Line Changemaker Award. Okay, Australia won the Women's T20 World Cup held in Australia by beating India in final. Player of the tournament is Beth Mooney, and player of the final match is Eliza Healy. Okay, Healy. Wasim Zafar retired from cricket after playing 150 Ranji matches. Australia. Bhavna Deharia MP has scaled Mount Kosciuszko, highest peak of Australia. This is the trick. Okay, to remember this, to retain it for a long time. Okay, so that we can attempt many exams. Okay, Saurashtra from Gujarat lifted their first ever Ranji Trophy by beating Bengal in final. Saurashtra's captain Jaydev Unadkat. Okay, Saurashtra. This time Ranji Trophy is won by Saurashtra, and the captain is Jaydev Unadkat. West Indies keeper Kieron Pollard becomes first player to play 500 T20 matches. Kieron Pollard, you know about Kieron Pollard? Okay. Former Indian captain R.P. Singh appointed the convener of Hockey India Masters Committee. Table tennis paddler Ajanta Sharath Kamal clinched Oman Open. Okay. ATK FC Kolkata won the record third Indian Super League title in football. ATK FC Kolkata. Okay. Two Indian umpires, Janani Narayanan and Vrinda Rathi, named in international panel of ICC development umpires. Victor Alexson and Tai Zu Ying. Victor Alexson from Denmark and Tai Zu Ying from Taipei won the England Championship. Now the research and defense category. ICGC World commissioned as Indian Coast Guard's offshore patrol vessel, whose speed is 26 knots. Indradhanush India UK Air Force exercise at Hindon in UP. Nupur Kulshrestha becomes first woman DIG of Indian Coast Guard. Google India has launched a skill program for women DG Pivot. Technology Innovation Hub NABARD at IIT Mandi. Okay, they have signed a memorandum of understanding with IIT Mandi and NABARD, and high-speed magnetic RAM is belongs to IIT Mandi. Okay, there is a relation between this RAM and IIT Mandi. Facebook launched Pragati to boost women entrepreneurship in India. World's first commercial flying car PALV Liberty will be developed in Gujarat. Indian Oil Corporation become first to begin supply of BS6 fuel across India. BS6 is 10 ppm of sulfur and BS4 50 ppm sulfur. IIT Madras to host global Hyperloop pod competition. Anti-malaria drug hydroxychloroquine banned in India according to Drug and Cosmetics Rules 1945. The chemical formula for hydroxychloroquine is C18H26Cl and 3O. IIT Gandhinagar launched Project Isaac for students during Corona lockdown. Gandhi Isaac Newton. Now the overseas news. Janez Janša become the new Prime Minister of Slovenia, and the capital of Slovenia is Ljubljana. Okay. BRAC BRAC Bangladesh top the list of top 500 global NGOs. NGO Day 27th Feb and National Protein Day 27th Feb. Pekka Landmark, CEO of Nokia. Okay, he is the new CEO of Nokia. Ashraf Ghani is the second time president of Afghanistan. Okay, NASA named March 2020 as Perseverance. Joy Bangla, national slogan of Bangladesh. Denis Shmyhal, PM of the Ukraine. New PM of Ukraine is Denis Shmyhal. Neo Alofi, New Zealand. Okay, is declared as first dark sky nation. Fifth BIMSTEC summit held in Colombo, Sri Lanka. IIT Roped Wardboard. There is a relation between IIT Roped and Wardboard. IIT Roorkee Pranavayu launched Pranavayu low cost ventilator with AIIMS Rishikesh. Okay, the incurred cost is 25,000 rupees. And IIT Kanpur developed low cost portable ventilator L&T cyber security programs. Okay, Ruhdar low cost ventilator is developed by IIT Bombay, and IIT Bombay developed Quarantine app to track the asymptomatic carriers of COVID-19 disease and digital stethoscope IU-Sync. IIT Guwahati developed drone to sanitize large areas. Now ministries categories. Labour Minister Santosh Gangwar has launched the Humsafar mobile app for doorstep diesel delivery in the NCR. Okay. AI based Ask Disha chatbot launched by Indian Railway. Minister of Personal and Public Grievances and Pension Jitendra Singh inaugurated the Pension Adalat and NPS in Jammu. Okay, the portfolio of Jitendra Singh is Ministry of Personal, Public Grievances and Pensions, and also new portfolio is attached with him, the development of Northeastern region. Okay, northeastern states. Minister of State for Shipping and Chemical and Fertilizer Mansukh Mandavia launched the Ropax passenger ferry service between Mumbai and Mandwa, Maharashtra. Aurangabad Airport in Maharashtra. Chhatrapati Sambhaji Maharaj Airport. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced economic relief package during lockdown. PM Garib Kalyan Yojana that entail rupees 1.7 lakh crore. Okay, CBSE promoted all students in class 1st to 8th and 9th and 11th students will be promoted on based of their school assessments. Namaste portal by Ministry of Ayush. Okay, launched by Ministry of Ayush. Namaste portal. Animal Transport Memorial in Bengaluru is inaugurated by Indian Army. Now the states category. Garsai, summer capital of Uttarakhand. Okay, Garsai becomes the summer capital of Uttarakhand and the chief minister of Uttarakhand is Rawat. ठीक है. Okay, Airport Authority of India and Tripura signed an MOU for construction of 6 equipment hiring centers in Dhalai, Tripura. Om Birla launched Poshit Ma Abhiyan in Kota, Rajasthan. Okay, he is also from Kota, Rajasthan. He is the speaker of Lok Sabha. Madhya Pradesh became first state to launch Unified Vehicle Registration Card. Jammu Historic City Chowk, Bharat Mata Chowk. Okay, Goa, Punjab coronavirus alert. Gujarat first in domestic solar rooftop installation with 64% coverage of the all households. Okay, Surya Gujarat. Andhra Pradesh first in Poshan Abhiyan by Niti Aayog Ministry. Okay, Odisha first state to open self-help groups mission Shakti by Odisha. Okay, Andhra Pradesh government launched Nigha app to ensure clean and healthy elections. The Andhra Pradesh CM is YS Jaganmohan Reddy. Himachal with the government of India signed an $80 million loan agreement with World Bank. SpiceJet to set up warehousing and distribution facility as GMR Hyderabad Aviation. India's first digital parcel locker service launched in Nabadi Ganta, West Bengal. UP government has launched 3 schemes for skill development: Kaushal Satrang scheme, Arogya Mitras, Yuva Hub and apprenticeship scheme. India's first living culinary arts museum of Manipal Academy, Karnataka entered the Limca Book of Records. Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik released a book, The Adventures of the Daredevil Democrat. Fool Dehi festival held in Uttarakhand, and Tarvinder Singh Rawat is the CM of Uttarakhand. Fool Dehi festival in Uttarakhand. Nana Shankar Seth Mumbai Central Railway Station. Okay, Punjab government reduced the retirement age for government employees from 60 to 58 years. Okay, and yes, Goa Punjab app coronavirus alert. COVID-19 virus respiratory syndrome attack lungs, pneumonia, inflammation in air sacs, alveoli, fluid fill up. Okay, Manipur CM Brain Singh has announced CMAT and CMAT schemes to encourage athletes and artists. Attukal Pongala Festival celebrated at Attukal Bhagavathi Temple in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala. Uttarakhand government abolished quota in promotion of government employees. Kamarajar Port in Noor, Tamil Nadu on Coromandel coast, government brought 67% stakes. First made in India COVID-19 test kit made by My Lab Patho Detect Pune got CID score approval. Minel Dakova Bhosle. Okay, Shivraj Singh Chauhan is the CM of Madhya Pradesh. Fourth time Gujarat police introduced taser guns, electrical weapons to fire on mob to disperse them. Odisha CM Naveen Patnaik launched Mo Jeevan program for containment of COVID-19 pandemic. Jaipur Swai Man Singh Government Hospital tested serving robot to COVID-19 patients. Odisha launched Mo Pratibha online cultural competition painting art. हरियाणा मुख्यमंत्री परिवार समृद्धि योजना. ओके, हरियाणा CM मनोहर लाल खट्टर launched the मुख्यमंत्री परिवार समृद्धि योजना. Okay, these are the current affairs from the March month of 2020. Okay, thank you, that's it.